So we'll start. I am a Vivek Raman, co-founder of regrop.com, and I'm a course creator of Digi University. And today we have a young and dynamic CEO of DCG Group, Mr. Avnish, and welcome, Mr. Avnish, uh, and who has more than 16 plus year of experience in operations, supply chain, and business management. And and it's an honor for us to be here. So, Mr. Avnish, welcome to our Digi University channel. So, tell me about your journey starting from your group CEO of company.
First of all, thanks Vivek. Thanks for bringing me to the Digi University platform, because the name you have chosen, the Digi University, I think it's the need of the hour. The Digi, like the everything is the digital, and even this COVID has made everyone to think for the more digital. Once again, thank you for bringing me to such a fantastic platform. And so, coming to your question, that's right. You asked that my journey starting my career path to the group CEO. Vivek, by profession, I'm a mechanical engineer, and I can say that I'm a small town boy. After completing my engineering from again it is from the Allahabad, Ganga ke Kinare. Then I started my career in the supply chain management and served in the various companies, the key positions like Mahindra, TAFE, Lenovo, Videocon. And during my this current assignment here, I joined the DCJ group around a decades back in the 2010. And again, I had did my master's also in the supply chain management. During my initial days of the career in the DCJ group, I was responsible for the supply chain operations as well as the commercial operation of the group. Even I got an opportunity to set up first glass processing unit in the Tamil Nadu. And then some more different verticals I have handled here, like the customer support, the new product announcement, then the project. And finally, in a cut short, in the 2018 August, the DCJ family board, they had given the opportunity of the UPVC business in craft company on my shoulders. And today, very proudly, I can say, Vivek, within 24 or 25 months, with the customer support and the patronage in craft, has become the one of the most trusted choice in the UPVC category. And then again, in the month of the June, this year, June, again, I'm very thankful to my family board, because the way how they have appreciated my work, and once again, they had thought that still I can take the more responsibility, and then put the entire group responsibility on my shoulder on the 12th of June. That's how my journey is starting from after completing my engineering to till date.
So, it's a quite inspiration for all of us that coming from a small town and reaching at this level at a group CEO position. So, I mean, what is important for any person to achieve this level of growth in such a short span of time?
Look, Vivek, here, the thing which you just use the short span of time, I think most of during this discussion, the people always used to say in some different way that you are a very young CEO. See, in the business world, age is nothing, it's a number only, man. And you everywhere I used to say that speed is the success mantra of my life. And the same applies here also, right? And the second thing, I am not a parachuter, I'm a grassrooter. I've started my career from scratch and gone through all these phases of my life, right? And in short, I can say, Vivek, to do all this, we need the continuous learning, innovating for the best, reshaping the strategies, and having a very clear focus on your goal. And also, one more important thing, see, I'm a very strong dreamer, because what I believe, dream of the future is always better than the history of past. जैसा कि तुमने कहा विवेक की एक स्मॉल टाउन बॉय है, तो यार एक क्या है ना, एक मिट्टी का आदमी और बड़ी पकड़ मिट्टी की मजबूत होती है, जहां पकड़ लेती है ना फिर हटती नहीं है वहां से.
We have read a lot of article on LinkedIn and other economics times and other platform also about you. You started your career from a scratch, and at this level you have really, I mean, for the viewer also, it's a quite inspiration, motivational to achieve our dream. And because we all have come from very small places and we want to achieve something very big in life. So coming to that, tell me about your company, which is a market leader. I have heard this company is a very giant company, big business house, and which is also a 60-year-old company. So what are their different wings
Vivek,
of company?
okay,
Yeah.
Vivek, just before that, I would like to touch because you say that coming from the small town and everything, I think I should appreciate you as well as the Asis both because you guys are also coming from a very small town. Because if I know that I know you from a long time back, and the way how you both entrepreneur have started your journey, right? And now, if I'm not wrong, I think in the pan India base you have made than the more than the 40 or 50 franchises. And how digital transformation you guys have done in the real estate. Nobody has thought that the digital selling and broking will be done, right? That's how even you guys are also inspiration for all the viewers, for the young entrepreneur that you are from, again you are also management graduate. ISIS is also from IM, and how you had made this empire. And second thing, see, it's for me it's the both way. I'm very thankful to my family board because they are also the very this DCJ group is a very deep rooted group, right? And also here you see during the selection of the group, this our family board, especially this our the existing chairman, he always used to see the family background of a person. They never believe on the very fabricated CVs, correct? That who is
Okay.
coming from the which country or which sort of the education. Then it's both
Mm-hmm.
the way. And as far as you see, you asked about my group. DCJ means, as the name stated, it's the DC Jain group. DC Jain, our honorable founder chairman, who has started this group in the 1961. He himself, he was a self-made man. He has started everything from scratch. He has borrowed the 10,000 bucks from his uncle, and in 1961 he has started his first company of making the cane wire for the furniture. एक जो कहावत है ना कि साहस से डर को भी डर लग जाता है, he was a man, he has proved it.
Okay.
Now he is not here with us. He's blessing us from heaven, and today very proudly I can say that he has made an empire of more than 24 manufacturing units across the country with different verticals like the automotive manufacturing, PVC pipe, CPVC pipe, water hand pump technology, drip irrigation, home appliances business. And now his legacy is being followed by his two sons, Mr. Rajiv Jain and Mr. Nitin Jain. Even the two more business which had been started by his elder son, who is the current Mr. Rajiv Jain sir, who has started the UPVC business as well as the glass manufacturing business. We just now in my first question I said that I got an opportunity to set up our first glass processing unit in the Tamil Nadu. That's what about our group. Vivek, I can say that the DNA of our group, that's what which has matched with me also, the loyalty, heart to heart relationship and the transparency and the speed. एक अपने चेयरमैन के बारे में बात बताता हूँ. I got a very good opportunity to not even to work with him, just to spend some of the time to get some of his learning. वो एक बात बोला करते थे कि अगर कस्टमर को फोन करने के लिए मोबाइल से नंबर निकालना पड़े ना, तुम्हारा कस्टमर से रिलेशन नहीं है. और यही मैटर करता है दोस्त आज का, heart to heart relationship. And that is there in our DNA, and also the product quality and innovation, because in every business we did a JV with or the technology transfer with one of the world most prominent partner.
So I think your company founders has also started from scratch. काफी scratch से उन्होंने start किया, and मतलब बड़ी ये भी inspiring story है. Sometimes if we get a chance, and we will request you to bring him on our platform and to discuss with him. And
Certainly.
yeah. So in the last question I asked, you are also market leader also in some categories. So can you tell me you are a market leader in which category in your company?
See, Vivek, whatever the business we do, always we do for the best. Like if you see we used to deal in the B2B and B2C both the segments, right?
Okay.
If you talk the B2B, we used to deal with the home appliance sector, like for the refrigerator, magnetic door, gasket, and here very proudly I can say that we are catering the more than the 70% of the Indian markets here. And here also we are competing with the world best and what the very renowned multinational companies. But as always, we used to say that we know India better than anybody else. 60 साल का know how है boss.
60
Or
years.
India is not a country, it's a continent.
Right.
How the things varies from there to a similar way in the UPVC also we are the market leader. As of now, I can say that we are having the solution for every situation. We are the company, we are having the one of the very vast variety range of the product and profiles and reach to each and every customer from the past 1 decades. Similar way in automotive, we have our leadership with all the OEMs, and in the water hand pump technology also what we made, that is a very unique and we do 100% export business to the African countries.
So you are working internationally also. आप बाहर भी काम करते हो. This thing I
Yes,
was not knowing actually. Okay.
it's
So
a pure by heart Indian with a global presence,
okay.
serving the global market.
Having so Atmanirbhar Bharat, we can say
Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Bharat. So we have gone through this COVID era, and so post COVID, how is your business affected, and how are you bringing transformation in company?
See, Vivek, this post-COVID, as I said you that we are depending on the B2B and B2C, and also the sector where we used to deal a lot, like the home appliance sector and the real estate market, which you also knows better.
Yes.
And the both sector has got a very severe hit on account of the COVID. And if you see the different agencies report, the recovery has expected on a long-term note for both the sector. Then certainly our business has also got impacted. But as you know, necessity is the mother of invention. And here we need to think out of the box. Even sometimes we need to think without box. And that's what we are doing, the strategical change in our business also. I can tell you one example here in my UPVC business. In the last month during COVID, we had break the history of the sale of the past 10 years from the inception.
Great. Great.
Who has thought? In the B2B, yes, because we are depending on our customers where already the Q1 has been lost, but still we are trying to up the, I can say here in the one word, like, the digital transformation is needed also, because my team has developed a lot of the virtual tools, right? Where some of the very traditional method which we used to follow pre-COVID, now that has been changed to the digital transformation, like the virtual demonstration, the virtual sale call, the virtual customer needs, the virtual meetings, and also like here you see, same thing applies for our country also, boss. Who has thought that within 45 days, India will be the second largest manufacturer for the COVID items? And that's what also we are very committed. The way how we are growing, and we will go even this year, I'm very much confident that we are going to cross the last year number also in my B2C sector. Again, in the B2B, we will try to mitigate this with the adding the more customer, with adding the more portfolio and opting the digital transformation, which is the only one key which is going to help us during this, after this COVID.
Okay. So how important is digital transformation for any company? I mean, especially your company and other companies also. How much they should adopt this digital transformation? Because you mentioned in the last question, digital transformation.
See, Vivek, here we need to understand what is the digital transformation and how it is important for a company. If I talk in a layman language, what is the digital transformation? Digital transformation means nothing. Using the technology to bring the different way of doing the business to opt for the growth in the new as well as the existing market, right? And see, digital transformation may vary a company to company because every business is a unique. It doesn't mean that what the digital transformation I am opting, same thing will be applied for you or same thing will apply for somebody else. And as of now, by seeing the increase in the social media platform as well as the smart devices, now the total customer communication we have changed, because customer has become the so aggressive, and also the customer has got the various available option which earlier they used to travel here and there, which used to go here and there to find out. And this has impacted our expectation with regard to the response time as well as the more available option. And also see, as of now, by increasing the popularity of the online payment option, online commerce, and the various mode of the sale, the more options, more platform have been opened. And also now this is the time of the mobile devices which can leverage a large amount of the personalized customer data into a very massive scale. The need of our is to better tailor your product, your response, your services in regard to the customer specific requirement. And all this can be done only with the digital transformation. I can say in only one word why it is important. The digital transformation is important for the survival of anybody's business. If you cannot do the digital transformation may be for some company, maybe for a one step, maybe for the two step, for the second one, maybe for the big one, maybe for the larger step. But if you are not going to digitalize the thing, then sorry, the survival is going to be very tough. Boss, who has thought that नॉर्मल एक दुकान के खोखे वाला भी हमसे बात करेगा जाकर के डिजिटल पेमेंट ऑप्शन का. See now how the lot of the digital payment option tools are coming for the Paytm, Bheem, lot of the options are there. Who has thought that कि यार एजुकेशन भी डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे बच्चों को पढ़ाया जाएगा. हम जिन स्कूल से पढ़ के आए, हम जहाँ बोलते थे गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः, आजकल बच्चों के अंदर से जाकर के इस डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के टाइम में व्हेन दिस कोविड एरा इज देयर, सी द पीपल हैज नॉट रेज्ड द हैंड. लॉकडाउन था बट लॉकडाउन नहीं था, एवरीबॉडी हैज ऑप्टेड द ऑप्शन. And now the need of the hour is the digital transformation. Every company they have to opt for the digital transformation. आज के टाइम अब बात करो, एक छोटा सा बिजनेसमैन भी अपनी वेबसाइट की बात करता है, आज अपने प्रोडक्ट को डिजिटल मार्केट करना चाहता है. कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारे मैसेंजर्स का टाइम था वो खत्म हो गया है. पीपल वांट टू गो फॉर द डिजिटल. Even the automotive people, they want to do the, even the car sale on the digital platform, even the digitally, the virtual demonstration, the car companies are planning to do for the same. Everywhere digital transformation is being done, boss. Even the doctors have started doing the consultation over the digital platform. Even I can say you that during this COVID, after this, my daughter's surgery has been done pre-COVID. After this COVID, the doctor has suggested everything. They did all the consultation through the virtual only.
Right.
Then there is n number of the example where we can say that the digital transformation is needed. And it's the need of the hour. Again, I'm repeating in a single word. It is needed for the survival of business, my dear friend.
So it means that every company has to adopt this digital transformation. And एक आपके डिस्कशन से मुझे ये समझ में आया कि now every department has to be digitized also.
Every department.
It is
starting from manufacturing, sale, R&D, service, customer support. You take anywhere, boss.
So it means that every employee and everyone has to upgrade them with this digital skill. Also
200%. See, everything starts from the top. When your customer, when your end customer, he is going to be digital. He is looking for a product digitally. He is asking the service digitally. Then all the backward integration has to be there. If only you are focusing on your customer support team in your sale as well as in your service, but if your manufacturing is not aligned with them, if your R&D is not aligned to them, then how you are going to manage?
You rightly said your customer is digital, so everybody has to be digital. That is a fantastic line. I mean, that
sir, I think today we are talking the digital, and I think our honorable Prime Minister, he has talked around 4 years back the digital India. बॉस, मैं गांव से बिलोंग करता हूं, आज मैं आपको बता रहा हूं उतना शहर से ज्यादा गांव में डिजिटलाइजेशन का यूज हो रहा है. You can go to the every child, everybody is using the WhatsApp and the Facebook.
Yes.
Even now the people have stopped calling and sending. आजकल मुझे तो लगता है शहर से ज्यादा गांव में every now this has become a digital diary. Morning, evening, whatever the things they do. Who has thought that कि गांव के हमारे 65 या 70 साल के हमारे जो चाचा जी या दादाजी होंगे वो भी फेसबुक चलाएंगे.
So everyone is a digitally literate. We can say that.
Everyone.
अगर वो कुछ देख रहे हैं तो YouTube पे दिन भर देखते रहते हैं, Facebook पे देखते रहते हैं. Because you don't need to आपको पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है वहाँ पे, क्योंकि वीडियोस के थ्रू you can see anything, you can understand everything. So that's a valid point, and I like this line. Customer is digital, so everyone has to go digital. So my question related to your company, because you have told a very good background about your company, your market leadership position. So what is your vision towards your company in another 5-10 years? How you are looking?
See, Vivek, here, firstly, this is not something which I'm going to talk in the terms of the numbers, right? But my vision for the next 5 years is just to create the more job opportunities, to be a part in our country's development, because we are a pure Indian, we are a very patriotic company, right? And see, whatever we believe that whatever we have learned from the society, we have to give back to the society. And the moment we will create the more job opportunity, then certainly you see the business certainly is coming. And also what we believe that the diversification is an elimination against protection. Hence, we strongly believe in the diversified product portfolio. Within the next 5 years, DCJ Group is coming with some very fantastic product range in the different verticals also, as rightly our chairman has did, like how he has did in the past 60 years, the different verticals. Now being as a professional, now the management has given the baton in professional hand, then it's my responsibility to diversify this group to the next level with some different product portfolio, not with the same business what has been said by our founders and the chairmans. I can say within 5 years, the first most important thing is that always the trust. We want to be the first preferred trusted partner of all our customers.
Great.
And the consumers, as well as by creating the more job opportunity for our country, and also to be a part of the country's development, like as rightly what has been a slogan is going for the Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make in India. हम तो सर 60 साल से वही कर रहे हैं. Always our group has developed the product which was not available here in India, and there was a big, always the global player they were competing. You take any example of our group business. Everywhere we taken the technology transfer, we did some technology tie-up with some of the global companies. After that, we made our strong foundation with the Indian ethics and values. And today, very proudly, we can see that always we had beaten the heat of the market, and today also we are ready to beat the heat of the market, and we are ready to take the advantage of the situation.
आई थिंक आपके मुझे डिस्कशन से 3 पॉइंट हाईलाइट मुझे मिले हैं कि एक तो आई मीन आपने बहुत बड़ी बात कह दी कि आप यू वांट टू क्रिएट अ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग एंड एक्चुअली इट्स अ रिक्वायरमेंट एज ऑफ नाउ. वी पोस्ट कोविड के बाद तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है, बहुत ज़्यादा जॉब्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ न्यू फ्रेशर्स आर कमिंग, so everybody needs a job. Second, you clearly mentioned diversification, so you want to diversify your business. और आप आत्मनिर्भर आज से नहीं 60 साल से आत्मनिर्भर हो. That is a great point. So because we have lot of student also with us, and lot of who are doing digital marketing course with our company also, so they want to know like what do you see exactly in the hiring. जब आप hiring करते हो तो आप क्या देखते हो hiring में किसी बंदे के उसमें?
See, विवेक, आई थिंक अगर आपने नोटिस किया हो तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैंने बहुत पहले दिया था कि हमारे फाउंडर्स जो हैं, हमारे जो ग्रुप के चेयरमैन, व्हाट दे सी ड्यूरिंग द हायरिंग ऑफ पीपल लाइक अस. We don't go for the very fabricated CVs or the high profile college degrees on anything, right? We give the most priority to the family background. If from which background the person is coming, how ethical he is, because what we believe, if a candidate cannot respect to his family, to his parents and to his society, sorry, he cannot respect for his job, he cannot do the justice for the company. And the third most important thing is the patriotic feeling has to be there, sir. What we believe, a person has to be the self-motivated, positive attitude, and he has to give respect to the country, to the elders, to the society. Then whatever this job role is there, that can be given a training to them, my dear friend. If the person is having a positive attitude, and the second thing is having a self-motivated, काम तो हो जाएगा बॉस. एक जुनून चाहिए, और जुनून क्या आता है ना, जुनून जो है ना घर के संस्कार से आते हैं. जो आपने बोला ना को मिट्टी की पकड़, I don't say that this only from that background the people are only coming, it's there from everywhere. The culture makes a important thing. Everything starts from your home. अगर आप अपने घर में रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देते हो तो अपनी जॉब को क्या रिस्पेक्ट दोगे, बॉस अपने क्लाइंट को क्या रिस्पेक्ट दोगे, अपने कंपनी को क्या दोगे? दैट्स व्हाई वी ऑलवेज गो थ्रू द फैमिली बैकग्राउंड ऑफ द पीपल.
आई थिंक आपने मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर जो मैंने आपसे पूछा था कि आप कैसे इतने कम टाइम पे सीईओ बन गए, तो दिस इज आल्सो आई थिंक आंसर फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस आल्सो कि आपको बहुत ही जुनूनी होना पड़ेगा, और आपको एक जो आपने फैमिली में रिस्पेक्ट देते हो वही आप अपने जॉब में रिस्पेक्ट दो, तो यू कैन रीच एट दिस लेवल आल्सो. हायरिंग तो जो हो रही है बट आप इस पोजीशन पे भी पहुंच सकते हो. तो अभी आपने डिस्कस किया था कि डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के ऊपर, तो फ्यूचर में व्हाट विल बी द जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के फील्ड में, क्या जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज रहेंगी? आई मीन इवन इन योर कंपनीज एंड अदर कंपनीज आल्सो.
सी विवेक, डिजिटल transformation and digital marketing is a rapidly and one of the very growing career path as more channel of the communication have become available. And see, when there is a need, then there is a need for the good qualified people too to keep the pace with the demand. जब डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, इसको करने के लिए कौन लोग चाहिए? लोग ही तो चाहिए. Then there is no second thought, there is a massive job opportunity. A person can opt for the various fields, like you are running a digital DG University, you know the better, but whatever the things we know, like content writer, digital marketer, the social engine optimizer, lot of the fields are there. Even here the people are doing the what you call the means freelancing job also. आज के टाइम if suppose today you go to a trader, the first thing what he said, यार मेरी वेबसाइट नहीं बनी, बॉस बना दो. I want to be registered on the e-commerce portals so that I can market my product e-commercially. Everybody wants to write some blogs for them. Everybody wants to do some digital marketing for them. There is a lot of scopes. See, when there is a demand, then there is a need for the good people, qualified people too. And so whatever the youths are there who are here, and I want to give a message to the youths कि boss, कभी ना ये जाकर के न्यूज और रिपोर्ट्स पे मत बिलीव करना माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. मार्केट बड़ी डाउन है, जॉब का बड़ा रिसेशन चल रहा है, कोविड आ गया है, घर से निकलेंगे नहीं, फिर तो कमरे में बैठ करके रिपोर्ट ही बनाते रहो. बेटर डू दैट ओनली दिस टाइप ऑफ द जॉब्स. इट इज वेरी इजी टू फ्लो विद द स्विम, बट इफ यू वांट टू फ्लो अगेन द स्विम ना, थोड़ा जोर लगाना पड़ता है बॉस. निकलो घर से. 1983 में किसी ने सोचा था क्या कि इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीत जाएगा अपना? कि जब हमारे वहां हुआ था साला पता चला 500 रुपए में मास्क खरीदते रहते. कुछ करो तो आगे तो आओ. Don't depend on all these bullshit things. What is how the things are? Yes, no doubt, health and safety is very much important. Take care for yourself, but again, don't be depressed. Don't be depressed. Come on, the bright future, everything is waiting for you. कुछ करने की ना एक जिद होनी चाहिए, और आदमी को जिद्दी होना बहुत जरूरी है दोस्त. जिद ही लगन में बदलती है. ठान लो करना है ना तो करना है. फिर देयर इज अ वे, देयर इज अ विल, देयर इज अ वे.
राइट. अवनीश, काफ़ी आपसे डिस्कस करके काफ़ी इंस्पिरेशन हमें भी मिली है पर्सनली, और आई थिंक जो हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं उनके लिए भी काफ़ी इंस्पिरेशन है, मोटिवेशन है. और आप लोग अगर कोई क्वेश्चन भी पूछना चाहते हैं तो आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं. इवन यू कैन ईमेल अस ऑल्सो. एंड थैंक यू अवनीश, आप हमारे पास आए और आपने बहुत अच्छा हमें एक सजेशन भी दिया, कंपनीज के बिजनेस डायनामिक्स भी बताए, पोस्ट कोविड में क्या करना चाहिए, किस तरीके से जॉब भी कहाँ पे ज़्यादा आ रही हैं. एंड थैंक यू टू यू, एंड थैंक यू टू योर कंपनी एंड योर फाउंडर्स ऑल्सो. एंड थैंक्स अ लॉट. थैंक्स अवनीश.
Thank you Vivek, and thanks to all the viewers for watching this. Namaste, stay safe.
नमस्ते.
Namaste.